Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to make this handle, and this is my tutorial number 4. And let's start the drawing. This is a handle which is going to fix in the screw at this hole. Select new, open a new part. Okay, select sketch, choose plane, do sketch. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna make half sketch of this drawing. It is diameter 8, so I am going to assign 4 mm, because I am making a half sketch. I will revolve the sketch. Okay, let's start the drawing. Choose this point and draw half section. Leave it as it is. The height is I think it is going to get outside. It is outside. Okay, now it is okay. The height is 8. Assign 8 mm height. Total height is 172. So drag the line a bit upward. Okay. The diameter is 8, and this middle portion diameter I have is it is diameter 11, because handle will fix in this hole, so the hole diameter is 11. So assign 11 dimension by selecting linear, select horizontal, select this line and this point, and 11 divide by 2 and close. Again draw the same thing. Draw a line from the center as well and trim the excessive portion. Again assign the dimension same as you did before, 8 mm, so it is gonna be 4. Enter, and the height is also 8 mm at the upward direction. Now it's time to assign the total height, and total height is 172. Again select the linear dimension, select infrared, select this vertical line and assign 172 and enter, close. Now it is 172 mm in length. Let's see if there is anything left. No, nothing is left, so select finish. Choose revolve command. It is asking to select a vector as well as a section. This is my section, and the vector is this. Cancel it, select revolve again, specify the vector. It is taking that x, y, it is y, so select y from this point, specify this point and select the curve. Okay, apply and okay. Hide the sketch and assign some color. I told you select assign feature before, select the color. I am selecting this color, dark color, or you can select okay, any color as you want. Select the color as you want, close and okay. Select right, select the true shading. So guys, this is the handle, and one thing I am going to made into this tutorial is this handle screw, because this handle screw, this little screw is going to fix at this side, so save your sketch by pressing Ctrl S, and it is handle HANDLE, and it is part number 4 and okay. So guys, this is handle, so I saved the handle. by pressing Ctrl S. The next drawing I'm going to make, I'm going to include this tutorial in this fourth tutorial. Cut and open the new page for making this handle screw. Select model and select sketch, choose the plane and draw a rectangle over here. Or simply you can do just make a circle and extrude that. Let's exit this and select the new. Okay, select sketch, this plane, and okay, draw a circle of 15 mm diameter, and I'm feeding 15 mm diameter. Okay, and exit the sketch and select extrude command, and the extrusion dimension is I'm keeping it 0 and the total length is 14. So applying 14 here and apply and cancel. Now there is a hole inside this screw which is 8 mm in diameter and 10 mm in depth. So again I'm selecting hole. The diameter is 8 mm and it is not throughout the body. I'm giving the value, exact value which I have is 10, depth value is 10, and this V shape is by default 118. Choose boolean operation subtract from this point. Now it is asking to you specify the point where you want to position this hole. So bring your cursor over this edge and now it will show you the center point. Grab that center point for your cap, and now the hole is its accurate place. Apply and cancel. Now again assign some dimension. I am assigning some dimension by just right clicking over it. I am assigning some light color over it. I think it is okay, and apply and cancel. So save it by giving the name handle screw, Ctrl S, and handle screw, screw. Okay guys, this is my tutorial number 4, and I include 2 parts in this single tutorial, and the next part will be fifth. The next tutorial will be the assembly tutorial, on which I will assemble all the parts of this assembly. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.